Hey everyone, this is Udit Goenka from Udit.co, and you're listening to Modern Revenue, the podcast where I talk about the future of SaaS sales. This podcast is brought to you by firstsales.io, a modern email outreach and warm-up tool to help you fill your sales pipeline up to 7x faster. PitchGround, my SaaS marketplace, and TinyCheck, my SaaS venture studio. In today's action-packed episode, we're zeroing in on the make or break discipline of product marketing. It's tempting to think that if you build a great SaaS solution, customers will magically flock to you. Unfortunately, that's a recipe for disappointment in a hyper-competitive market. Think of product marketing as your strategic compass. It's about deeply understanding your ideal customer, crafting messaging that cuts through the noise, and constantly iterating to ensure you're always solving the market's most pressing problems. I built successful SaaS companies, including firstsales.io, and I've learned these lessons firsthand, often the hard way. My goal is to save you from costly mistakes and put you on the path to rapid, sustainable growth with a customer-centric marketing mindset. We'll cover everything from defining product marketing to the unique challenges and advantages of applying it in the SaaS space to a step-by-step playbook you can put into action immediately. You'll hear my own firstsales.io stories, both the good and the cringeworthy, so you can learn from my wins and losses alike. This is not about get-rich-quick schemes or empty buzzwords. True product marketing demands commitment, but the payoff is a SaaS that stands out, attracts loyal customers, and positions you for long-term success. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Chapter 1. Not your grandma's marketing, defining product marketing. Drive home the proactive nature of product marketing and how it's the key to unlocking customer connection. If traditional marketing is a loudspeaker blasting your product's features, product marketing is a skilled detective uncovering the clues about a potential customer that will make your message resonate like nothing else. Key distinctions: customer-centric versus product-centric. Solve a burning problem. That's what makes your SaaS irresistible. Market understanding versus feature-focused messaging. Don't be a commodity, be the answer. We'll dissect how to get into your ICP's head. Collaboration. Product marketing is the bridge between your SaaS roadmap and the market's true needs. The why this matters test. Customer-centric. Miss this, and you might be building a genius solution for absolutely no one. Market understanding. Boring messaging equals sign in wasted resources. Tactics ahead to cut through the noise. Collaboration, silo skill momentum. Product marketing creates unity between what you build and what customers crave. At firstsales.io, I thought marketing was just about getting the word out. Turns out it begins long before, with figuring out who needs your SaaS so badly it hurts. I'll show you how to do this the right way. No guesswork required. Up next, SaaS isn't static, so your marketing can't be either. Let's talk about the unique challenges of marketing something that's constantly getting better. Chapter 2. The SaaS advantage and pitfall. Emphasize the urgency and massive payoff of understanding the SaaS-specific challenges. SaaS changes the game. Subscription model, it's not a one-time sale. Product marketing builds the foundation for long-term customer relationships. Constant updates. Your message can't be static. Show how those updates solve evolving customer pain points. Data goldmine analytics. Tell you what resonates. Use insights to refine messaging and even inform the product roadmap. The pitfall. Confusing ongoing promotion with strategic product marketing. Early on with firstsales.io, we churned out content but with no real customer insight driving it. Result: wasted effort, missed opportunities. The why this matters test. Subscription model, nail product marketing equals sign. Lower churn equals sign sustainable growth that compounds over time. Constant updates. Those brilliant new features, if no one understands their value, adoption lags. Data goldmine. Ignore analytics and you're flying blind. Product marketing turns data into laser-focused action. Tactic timer. 5 whys. For churn, when a customer leaves, ask why, then ask why. Again and again, until you uncover the true root cause, often not what they tell you. Up next, laser focusing on your ideal customer profile, ICP. This isn't just demographics, it's about unlocking the problems that keep them up at night. Chapter 3. The Product Marketing Playbook. demystify the process, and leave listeners feeling empowered, not intimidated. Step 1, Ideal Customer Profile, ICP, teach the demographics. Those are a starting point, but we'll go deeper into psychographics and behaviors. Pain points are king. What keeps them up at night? What do they dream of solving? Let's use vivid language here. Jobs to be done, framework. Explained concisely with an everyday example for clarity, non-SaaS even works. First sales aha. Example of how a broader ICP focus led to bland messaging versus the change when we niched down. Step 2, competitive analysis. Focus on your uniqueness. What do you do better or differently to solve your ICP's pain points? Battle card tactic. Simple 2x, 2 grid. Your features versus competitor 1 and 2, forcing you to be ruthlessly honest about your edge. Listen to the market. How do competitors frame their solutions? This reveals weaknesses you can highlight. Step 3, messaging that matters. Feature versus benefit. Breakdown. So that test plus a before-after example to make it memorable. Speak their language. We'll cover how to source this lingo. Forums, reviews, even sales calls are Intel goldmines. Voice of customer tool. Let's introduce a freebie to help listeners extract powerful phrasing directly. Why this matters. Test, ICP focus, equal sign. Higher conversions. The right message to the right person is marketing gold. Competitive edge. Stand out in a sea of sameness, making it easy for your ICP to choose you. Messaging that resonates. People buy emotionally, then justify with logic. We'll hit both. Up next, product marketing doesn't end at launch. Let's dive into how customer feedback and data analysis keep your SaaS in step with the market. Chapter 4, Beyond Launch, the Iterative Loop. Instill a sense of both urgency, stagnation kills, and opportunity. Feedback is your secret weapon. Sales is never done. Updates, new features, evolving market needs. Your messaging can't be a relic either. The complacency trap. Early on at firstsales.io, a few solid months made us think we could coast on our initial messaging. Big mistake. Lost opportunity and competitors crept closer. Feedback is fuel. Don't be afraid of what customers say. Actively seek it out and use it to fuel your growth. Data-driven insights. Metrics. That matter, let's get specific. Track feature adoption, trial to paid conversion based on messaging, etc. Tool time. One easy-to-use analytics rec focused on actionable insights, not just data overload. Roadmap alignment. Data reveals what customers crave. Product marketing makes sure those voices are heard in development. Customer feedback channels. Insightful surveys. Short, targeted questions that reveal true pain points, not just satisfaction scores. Customer interviews. Done right, these uncover gold. A tactic for getting people talking honestly. Social listening. Monitor where your ICP talk shop. Find unfiltered praise and gripes. Both are valuable. Why this matters. Test. Loyal customers iteration shows you care. Proven stat, actively responding to feedback boost LTV. Market agility, those insights let you outpace competitors who are too slow to adapt. Customer-centric growth. Delighted users become your evangelists. This loop is your most powerful long-term marketing. Up next, building the right product marketing team to drive this continuous improvement. From scrappy generalists to specialized roles, we'll cover what you need at each stage. Chapter 5, Building Your Team. Shift the mindset from hire ASAP to hire smartly for sustainable product marketing success. Early stage, the generalist. Wear many hats, a blend of research, messaging, content, and interpreting basic analytics. Skills to prioritize. Less about existing expertise, more about insatiable curiosity about your ICP. Passion over perfection. They'll learn the tools, but the drive to understand what makes customers tick is non-negotiable. Finding your gem. Non-traditional backgrounds. Marketers with strong customer focus, even outside SaaS, are worth a look. The why interview. Question. We'll share the question that reveals true passion versus just resume padding. Firstsales.io. Lesson. Early on, we prioritized hard skills over mindset. That led to great execution of the wrong strategies. Scaling up, specializations emerge. Content powerhouse. Drives organic reach and builds authority, but must align with customer needs, not vanity content. Data analyst. If data-driven iteration is your key to growth, this person unlocks massive insights. Demand Gen Pro. When lead volume is paramount. Danger, misalignment with the ICP focus established by product marketing. The why this matters test. Right fit equals sign right. Trajectory, the perfect product marketer accelerates your growth in a way no amount of hustle can replace. Avoid costly mistakes. The wrong hire is worse than no hire. Wasted time and resources set you back more. Long-term vision. Let's normalize the fact that even bootstrap teams may benefit from part-time or contract help early on. Ready to put this into action? Let's wrap up with those core takeaways to ensure your product marketing investment fuels the kind of success stories are made of. Chapter 6: Key Takeaways and Your Action Plan. Consolidate the core lessons and inspire immediate, even if small, steps towards better product marketing. The big takeaways. Product marketing is your compass. It guides your SaaS in the right direction from development to messaging to growth. Customer centricity is non-negotiable. Great features are useless if they don't solve burning problems for your ICP. Iteration is king. A perfect launch is the starting line, not the finish. Data and feedback fuel continuous improvement. Firstsales.io. Reminder: I've made mistakes so you don't have to. Learn from my missteps and shortcut your success. Your action plan: start small, scale up. ICP Deep Dive. If you haven't done this already, that's step 1. We'll recap a simple tool from chapter 3 to help. Revisit your messaging. Does it use the "so that" test? If not, a rewrite is more powerful than any ad campaign. Embrace the always beta mindset. SaaS evolves. Are you openly communicating with customers about updates and using their response strategically? The power of why this matters. Sustainable growth. Good product marketing turns happy customers into brand advocates, reducing your acquisition costs over time. Competitive edge. Truly standing out in a crowded SaaS world demands laser focus on your unique value proposition. Team alignment. Product marketing ensures product, sales, and even customer success are speaking the same language, the final word. Throughout this episode, we've broken down product marketing, ditching the buzzwords and hype to focus on what truly moves the needle for your SaaS. At times, this may have felt uncomfortable. If anything I've said has challenged your existing assumptions, that's a good thing. Real growth often starts with a healthy dose of self-critique and a willingness to reimagine how you connect with your market. Here's the thing: you've chosen to build a SaaS. That means you're an innovator, a problem solver, and someone who believes in the power of technology to improve lives, businesses, or even just to bring a little joy into the world. But innovation alone isn't enough. Even the most groundbreaking product can flounder in obscurity if it's mismarketed, misunderstood, or simply never finds its way into the hands of the people who desperately need it. And that's where product marketing comes in. It's about more than crafting clever slogans or buying ads. True product marketing is strategic empathy. It's the relentless pursuit of understanding your ideal customer so intimately that your solution feels custom designed for them, even if it serves thousands. It's respecting the fact that the market is a conversation and your SaaS needs to listen as much as it talks. Perhaps most importantly, product marketing is a mindset shift as much as a set of tactics. We tend to think of growth in terms of exciting launches, major feature rollouts, or those elusive hockey stick graphs. But the most sustainable, scalable growth happens incrementally. It happens when you glean an insight from a seemingly negative review. It happens when a tweak to your onboarding flow, inspired by a customer question, reduces churn by a fraction of a percent. It happens when your sales team stops fighting an uphill battle and starts closing deals with ease, armed with messaging that resonates because it speaks the language of your true customer. I founded firstsales.io because I saw a need in the market and had the ambition to fill it. But it wasn't until I stopped treating my own product like the hero of the story and started focusing on the heroes we served that things finally clicked. My mistakes, and there were many, are your competitive advantage. Learn from them, move faster, and build a business that's not just profitable, but genuinely makes a difference in the lives of its customers. This episode wasn't meant to be the be-all, end-all on product marketing. That's a discipline worthy of a lifetime of learning, but my sincere hope is that you now see it through a new lens, as a powerful growth engine essential from your earliest MVP to your IPO. Keep the conversation going. Hit me up on Twitter at IUDITG with your burning questions, your hard-won aha moments, or let's dissect those trends shaping the future of SaaS. Together, We can build a community dedicated to customer-centric growth and make damn sure the best solutions are the ones that succeed. The market needs what you're building. Now, let's make sure they know it. I'm Udit Goenka, and this has been Modern Revenue. Thank you for listening. Now go conquer the world of SaaS.